Hey guys, welcome to One Kitchen. I'm Julia. Dessert time on the channel. I have a delicious chocolate syrup vanilla parfait here on my channel. It's kind of like a no-churn ice cream, but it is not the typical ice cream with heavy cream and sweetened condensed milk. This is an ice cream made with heavy cream, sugar, egg yolks, and some vanilla, and then my homemade chocolate syrup. I've already showed you guys on the channel a long time ago how to make a delicious chocolate syrup, and it is the exact same recipe I still use. It's just a very old video, so I apologize for that, but the link for that video is down below in the description box. I'm just going to whisk my egg yolks, and I'm using pasteurized egg yolks and sugar together until it is very thick and light in color. I'm also going to whisk some heavy cream stiff. Then adding in my egg mix into my heavy cream and just fold it in together with some delicious good quality vanilla extract. I've just covered a tin with some foil, and I'm just going to add in a little bit of my ice cream and then add on some chocolate syrup, another layer of ice cream, more chocolate syrup. Just keep doing that until you have used all your ice cream and the chocolate syrup that you want to use. You decide how much chocolate syrup you want in there. I used about 8 to 10 tablespoons. Let it set in the freezer for around 8 to 10 hours, and after that it is ready to be taken out of the foam and served. And I like to serve mine with some extra chocolate syrup on the top. Let's taste. It is so creamy, vanilla-y and chocolatey. Give it a go, guys. It is just such an easy recipe for a no-churn ice cream that your guests will love. If you don't want to see my very old video, sorry for that, on how to make this delicious chocolate syrup, you can always add something else in this, or just leave it plain with vanilla flavor. You can also just add in some chopped chocolate or chopped caramel fudge, or served with some caramel sauce or some cherry sauce, strawberry syrup. It is up to you guys. There is an endless amount of combinations you can use in this recipe. Give it a go. All ingredients are down below as always. Don't forget to subscribe and check in again soon for my next video. Bye!